In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a meeting in GoToMeeting. Whether you're planning a quick discussion or a more formal meeting with multiple team members, knowing how to set up a meeting efficiently can save you a lot of time and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's get started. When you first open your GoToMeeting app, you'll notice two primary options for setting up your meeting. The first and quickest way is to click on the Start option located right in the center of your app interface. This is perfect for impromptu meetings or when you need to get everyone together without much planning. It allows you to jump straight into a virtual room with just a single click. However, if you need a bit more control and have specific requirements, GoToMeeting also offers a more in-depth scheduling option. To take advantage of these advanced features, start by clicking on the Create button, which you'll find at the top left corner of the window. Here, you'll enter the meeting scheduling interface where you can tailor every detail to fit your preferences and needs. When scheduling a meeting, the first thing you'll want to do is set the date and time that works best for your participants. This ensures everyone is available and can attend. Next, you can optimize your meeting by customizing the settings. This includes adding co-presenters, which is particularly useful if you're conducting a joint presentation with a colleague or partner. By doing so, both of you can manage the meeting seamlessly. Another feature you might find useful is enabling the recording option. This can come in incredibly handy if not all attendees can be there in person. By recording the session, they can catch up later, or you can revisit the meeting yourself to review or take notes. And if you have participants who will not be in the same room or possibly even the same country, you can enable remote connection options. This makes your meeting accessible from anywhere, significantly broadening your reach and ensuring everyone can participate regardless of their location. What makes GoToMeeting so user-friendly is its flexibility in setup. You're not limited to just one way of doing things, which ensures that any type of meeting you're hoping to have can be easily facilitated. Make sure to review all of your settings to ensure they align with your goals and that everything is ready before you send out the invites. With every detail carefully set, you're all set to host a productive and efficient meeting, and that's it. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel comfortable navigating the GoToMeeting app, making the most out of its features, and setting up a meeting that meets your needs. Happy meeting hosting, and I hope your next session is as productive as you'd hoped.